Hey guys, and welcome to the Farming Pastor's Wife. I'm so glad you're here. If you don't mind, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification because you don't want to miss anything. Stay tuned. Sorry guys. We left the farm and I took a shower. And I'm just going to let my hair air dry because I'm going to have to wash it again tomorrow because I got to go work at the farm again tomorrow. So, anyway, this will be the last update you get until we do our final reveal, which will be after our vacation. So, what kind of videos are you going to get until then? You'll probably get another devotional video. You'll probably get some cooking videos. While we're on vacation, you're going to get tons of cooking videos because I plan on cooking a lot at the beach. And we'll just take you with us wherever we go on vacation. And so, yeah, we plan, there's lots of things that I can video. Maybe a cooking video here before we head to the beach. Maybe some packing videos, some grocery shopping, that kind of thing. But yeah, we're soon going to be back to cooking, and the big reveal is coming soon because I feel like we're at a point where we can stop doing remodel updates and just save it till it is ready for a big reveal. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you some footage that Bryant got for me. See my Cheez-Its. That's what we've been living on is Cheez-Its. So I'm going to show you some footage from Bryant that he got. Yeah. And so anyway, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Okay, guys. Even though the house is exciting, farm life is even more exciting. And we found a new little baby. Look at that sweet boy. Well, it could be a girl. It's newly born, like just now born.
Earlier today.
It still looks kind of wet.
But we're just finding it. Yeah, see the navel there? It's less than 4 or 5 hours old.
She's still licking it.
She's still cleaning it up. So,
and she's still got stuff hanging out of her.
Yep, this cow right here, we call her Red. We've had this cow here for about, we've had her about 7 years. And she's been a really good cow.
Good mama.
Matter of fact, Leslie bought this cow at an auction without me one day. So, all right, guys, farm life at its best right here. The cows hear
they hear us here.
They hear the gator. And when they hear the gator, they come to check us out to see what's going on. You can see the chicken houses in the background over there. So let's go check the rest of these girls out. All right, guys. Calf number 2 today. This is a herd of cows I bought about a month ago. I bought 12 in this little herd. And that big black cow right there, that's her calf. She looks like she's just had it today too. And little red calf. And protected mama there, so another one.
Get a picture.
Alright, here she goes walking off. Get in front of me. I don't like this. It's okay. All right, guys, thanks for joining in on this busy day, on this busy Tuesday. The Farming Pastor's Wife is busy right now prepping. You'll see right there she's prepping. We're actually feeding the workers here today some lunch. There's some chicken right there that she has sauteed for some subs. She's also doing some lettuce, green leafy lettuce along with some romaine lettuce, I believe, right, Mom?
Just green leafy
Just
lettuce.
green leafy lettuce. You'll see all kind of junk spread out today. Look here, see all that pottery. What you guys may or may not know about us is we love pottery since we live in the pottery capital of Seagrove, North Carolina. What we got happening in here is the floor is being installed. The living room is now over there, and everything's been moved out. And so Isaac's doing what he normally does, sits down on the job, and so he is posing fine. Kevin has started the floor. What we're putting down is a vinyl plank flooring. It's called loose lay. It's not a click vinyl. It is a loose lay, and so therefore that's going down. That's what it's going to look like. Les, do you remember what it's called?
Vinyl plank floor?
No, the name.
No, it's not Shenandoah. It's
Let me see right here. Here it is.
They go by numbers.
it's a number. It's not a name.
It's Korean. Look back there. Made in Korea. I can't remember what it was
It
called.
starts with an S.
Starts with a F. Not Shenandoah. We'll figure it out and let you guys know. Okay. Some things that's happened over the weekend since you guys have been gone is the kitchen is painted. You can't really tell it because the trim hadn't went up yet. We're still putting a new back door in back here. But the kitchen has been painted. Okay, that's the final color. It matches the rest of the house. Look, some things never changed. The doors are open. Yeah. So anyway, there's some crown molding that's going to go up there. And we've still got some things to do. The ceiling has been patched where we took the walls out. Okay, in both spots, the ceiling's been patched and painted. Walls have been painted. The hallway, you can see the hallway has been painted. You see the lower part there. You guys were debating and discussing what worked best. That's called mink stole. That was in the restroom, the bathroom. And so that's what we painted that lower part with. And so anyway, wanted to bring you guys in here. The name was Sedona, right, Les? Sedona. Sedona, yeah, just hit me, okay? I got part-timers, so my mind works part of the time. Anyway, Sedona was the name. And so Kevin is starting the flooring here. So in about an hour and a half or so, the room will make a huge transition. So, and I'll bring you back. Preston there's learning. Preston's in training to do flooring. So Preston's one of our farm helpers that helps us out tremendously. So, and as you all have met Kevin, everybody needs a Kevin in their life. So, all right, guys, be back shortly. Bye. All right, guys, you can look back over here. You can see some of the flooring has been done in half the house. Everything is chaotic and piled up over there. You can see down the hallway, we've torn up some of the old flooring. He's now gluing the perimeter and some of the other areas here. Glued primarily a lot of the kitchen because that's a high traffic area. And so you can actually see things are still coming together. So still got the back door to put in. Still got some pendant lights to put right here over the bar. You'll see that come together. Got a couple of other odd and end things to do, but we are coming to the tail end of the project, and it has been exceptional, and we have thoroughly been blessed. So that's Preston, one of the farm hands. You all know Kevin. Today is Kevin's birthday, so he's turned a big 42 or 3 today. 42. Who knew you could get that ugly in 42 years? But anyway, no, I'm just kidding. I give Kevin a hard time every day. So anyway, all right, guys, continue to hang in here. I'll bring you back when the flooring is coming together.
Okay, guys, the things my children won't do to help their mother's dreams come true. That is Isaac back there in the very back of the linen closet. Hey guys, this is probably going to be the last remodel update until we do our final reveal. So we have put down the new flooring down there that you can see, and it is throughout the house. My house is torn all apart. It was finally starting to look somewhat together, but then when the floor, we had to move everything. It was so funny because everything that was in this room moved over here. I mean, completely over here, everything. They laid the floor in here. Then everything in the dining room in here came into here. We laid the floor in there. Then we put that furniture back in there. And then everything that had been pushed over there was brought back in here. Along with the stuff that was in there was brought over here. And then now, the things that were in the hallway have been brought into here or stuck in bedrooms. So, just a little bit more on the floors to go. Have just a little bit around the edge. We have a closet here we have to do. And then Bryant's going to paint the shoe molding, put the shoe molding back down, do any painting. We repaired a old flue that was here, so they've got to tape and mud and sand that. So yes, more dust is coming. So everything got a little chaotic again, because not only did I have to move everything, but I had to take all my pottery. I had to take everything out of that one. I have put it back prematurely, I'm afraid. We took everything out of this one. So, and then all that stuff got moved in here to my kitchen. So this is the final look before we do our actual reveal. And that will probably be after we come back from vacation. You'll still be getting videos from me. I don't know what type of videos. You'll get a lot of cooking videos while we're at the beach. I'm going to turn you guys around and look at you, but my hair is wet because I just got out of the shower, so forewarned. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Caroline's foundation is coming right along. I'll show you that in one of my videos. I do apologize for my hair, but I've got to go practice a song to sing at a funeral. And so, yeah. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching The Farming Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. And don't forget, we've got tons of good videos coming up. Lots of cooking videos coming once I get on vacation. And a big reveal of the house remodel. And just some devotional and some regular videos, just day in the life of. So don't go anywhere. Don't leave the channel. Be sure to tell your family and friends that the cooking is fixing to get revved back up again. So thank you so much. Love you guys with all my heart.